Welcome back, viewers, subscribers, and the whole audience to another video on Wull on the channel. You don't know the drill, so if I your first time over here, so Pony channel, please do subscribe and like. Finna miss out.
Now who's having the last laugh? Laugh at Buju. Some guy in Haiti, he did not take no money from the Chinese to sell you guys COVID. It's the guy in Haiti. He did not bow to money power. Most of you leaders in the Caribbean, I guess you're worried now, huh? I guess you're beefing up your security details now, huh? Because you've taken money from the Chinese, right? I wish you luck. I wish you all the luck. I wish you all the best. This is what you get when you make deals with the devil. Moïse didn't make any deal with the old Chinese. He didn't make any deal to sell his people out and sell in the COVID narrative. All you other leaders. Did you?
Alright, so for those who aren't aware as yet that the Asian president Moïse, I should say, has been assassinated, and we're really happy. You don't know, it caught my eyes. Say his wife was also in the tragic incident. Right now she rushed to hospital. She taken to America actually, forget treated as it. And a good thing Buju Banton always dead. A man like them people, we need them. Cause guess what? When it comes to foolish laugh and gimmick, we don't got time for that. We put all of that, them serious. You get me? Yeah. And it got my eyes for no say, yo, them thing happen out there just because them not giving as black people. You see me? So them assassinate the people. Me no politics end of the day, but people need to wise up end of the day. You see me? This could have been anybody else. This could have been our politician just the same. If we not do the right thing, said we what them want we for do. If we don't get what me I say. But we leave that for the politic and the political speeches, as it. Other than that, viewers and subscribers, what's taking place in Jamaica right now? Tony Matterhorn touch a bag of can. That kind of rhyme, but anyways. So busy signal name get draft up the other day on one of him live, and the dog I say busy signal not loyal. Certain things just not bother him. You get me? And him call out one bag of different artists, and then me like how him get the conclusion out, cause him make them know say even if them not do nothing bad, Bounty himself I gonna make them look bad just for know say yo him bust them. Them I go automatically look bad. You see it? Yeah man, no joke. Analyze still, guys. Meds it man. Analyze man. But other from that, you know say a live video always there at the end of the video, so enjoy.
She said, Ada. I know the page them, my mark them, I say I on the page. You see page where the people them make whole heap of name, but I know them. Watch brother.
You know, say a long time I know say the boy not nice want to trouble boys. I know it was a long time Cock did it though. Every time him say
Ling is a girl. Ling is a girl.
Ling and a girl.
Suck yourself, batty boy.
Are you a batty boy? You're the speech and you come with yo, you know long more fuck Ling. Ling is a boy. Ling is a boy.
Ling is a girl.
Ling
is a girl. Fuck out of here.
Yeah, watch out now when I see him was blood clot. Why you got this?
Somebody sent me a live. A picture.
I know the element you're there.
Yeah, somebody sent me a picture. With leg. I straight to him, never know I put it on. Yo, I straight to him, never know I put it on. When the son said the picture, I said, Bumbo Cloud would I get her? Them say I put it on. So I go watch it live. I said, this dirty drunk. The face of my device.
I feel like you're there and back your fist up for me at night time, and that's not cool. I don't.
Big man back in face.
My wife tell me that you want to have sex with me. She don't trust you around me. My wife said she don't want you around me. Yeah, that's
yo, dog, I'm feeling gear right now. I'm feeling gear
right now. My wife said she realized she want to beg me some pussy, and she don't want me around you for you to beg me any of my fuck.
Stop.
Come here, said you don't want to deal up with not nice. Because not nice I try fucking girl and that's not cool. Right now you make my wife go get lice or gun
You know,
and not nice. My wife go shot in your belly.
You know, say trouble pump on up. You know, say me get booked for 2 Thursdays and me now but I come.
Move your blood come for one side and play with Ling Ling in your wash. You have to play with Thumper because you cannot see. You can't play with Ling Ling and play with Thumper. You know, Thumper is here to stay.
No.
Am I packing and get tough off and I'm going to
pick up myself, Father God.
What do you? Me can't fuck you. You understand me? Oh, me would have got turn up. I'm me would have to work. You understand me? Can you whine not nice?
Yo, cheese, cut me off the cheese. Cheese, cut me off, please.
Can you whine? Because
Cheese,
me
cut me
love
off,
freaky sex, you know. Me love one time it ride on, you know.
Cheese, extra off, quick.
What's the matter? Ride on that. Like blood clot, alkaline, ride on me. Can you ride on?
Yo.
Make sure you can ride on me.
Yo,
Yeah?
you must say. You must
You
say.
have to play with my hood not nice. Yeah, because you're there.
Yo, oh, yeah, no. Yo, I don't bump my clock.
You have to play with my hood. Oh, you have to fuck me and play with my hood. You have to play with my hood. Your Wi-Fi get weak when you talk your real thing, them.
I come off.
Cut him off.
Him come off.
Cut him off now, cheese.
The boy cut off.
Boy, that nasty boy, long time cheese. I know not nice, a dirty boy. Not nice, a fucking teddy bear now. You mean if you want to beg me some pussy? I mean, can't believe my brother want to beg me some pussy. Me don't even know what my pussy that cheese. Cheese, me don't even know what my pussy that. But he might beg me pussy. What me for find pussy get not nice, cheese?
Brother!
What me for find pussy get not nice?
Jesus Christ,
Every minute not nice come with this motive. No man, not nice. I'm just a rap with them. I see what everybody want. Hug up, man. Don't hug me up, you come in and trust you. Right, you know. That's why they make me not be a Ling Ling for a long time. I fans them a ball for Ling Ling. I mean, can't make Ling Ling come out because when I find Ling Ling attractive. Why? Found a bum buckle attractive. You see me, I deal with me, Jay. Don't violate the man like that. You see me, I deal, man, work hard for them top man status. From me, a little bit of you, so now violate my cocky boy. You know, hold me and chop off my hood when my blood clot young. Now, to make you not nice, I can talk up in bum buckle and out. But he want show hood in a not nice in a Ling Ling belly, you know. One thing me I tell him, you know, if Ling Ling I work, Thumper I work too, you know. Me I tell you that's the over hiding.
In the trouble is Snare Valley. We're not nice guy.
Oh, what do you? Oh, you for one trouble the blood clot she meal. And you know how to play with the meal part too. You have to play with the meal part.
That nice run, God.
I mean, a female titty and me have man titty. You have to suck off my female titty and my woman titty. My female titty and my male titty, and you have to play with my female part and my male part.
Jesus, fucker one. Big fucker too. Daniel not Bill.
No,
man. Daniel more than
listen what that man say. He want fuck Ling Ling. If you find Ling Ling attractive, yeah, why? See your brother, because remember say me want she-male. Remember say me born with vagina and body.
Well, Ling Ling, listen, the way I'm like Ling Ling, because Ling Ling dressy, Ling Ling not going like that.
Yeah, man, the one that you can't find attractive. Don't find attractive. If you find attractive, that means why? Remember me have a male part, you know. Yeah, dog. Me tell you, yo, you remember what they tell me time? Said the boy not nice, so I fuck me for sure. Me can't believe. You diss me. You disgrace me, you. Oh, kind of disgrace that you can draw them for me. Me can't, hey. All of them, I got no dog. Me only remember the one be Ling Ling again, brother. Swear.
And that's why we not see Ling Ling.
It's a first problem in my life.
You come for the thing, kick down, and the people that
Know that.
I'm a brother. Fuck off, no man, Patrick, man. Boy, yeah, Patrick with him, fucker, man, say, boy, yo, the people, them see you come for the life and you thick. So they want to go on that.
What you mean? Just up like lingers.
See how you say? I mean,
Our man that we just see.
Him say I saw Ling Ling company sitting come beat him leg them. And
Ling Ling go on bad.
Ling Ling go on bad? That's
Yes,
why me tell you. See man them there say yo, see man them say they want your girl there. What you gonna do now? Wait, you might know what's the name is?
Not nice. Now go say no until Pretti done gone here. My friend.
No, not nice. A big fish, a freak. A freak is not nice, me I call him. Not nice. You have to go shift my body and play with Ling Ling. You want to do that? You have to go shift me hood one side and play with Ling Ling. Do you want to do that?
Have the buff.
Ling Ling, right now from what do you cheese? Me fi bring out
Yo, stop playing me. Stop bumble clap.
Not nice.
Hey, stop playing me. Yo, stop playing me.
Love a life of Ling Ling, wicked
Stop
sweet.
clapping. You not tell you.
You have to watch the boy. Him and not nice. The two of them are drunk. Jesus Christ. Me say two of them like half-lingers.
Yo, big pussy Ling Ling. You make her dog hear this? You make her dog hear this?
Me I got talk not nice. That's what I Ling Ling out. Not nice. Call Ling Ling phone hard. I love a call Ling Ling phone hard. Miss call me I tell you about. And them a call back. To see Ling Ling for FaceTime. Them not call for phone. Them a call for FaceTime to see Ling Ling. For. Them man know say me no out, you know. So